Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing Read Write Inc Day 1, Introduction of a New Sound. This is for Blue Group 2. Instead of introducing a new sound this week, we're going to be focusing on the same sound that we introduced last week because we didn't get a chance to fully finish that and there was a lot of children absent as well. So we're just going to do a little recap, a little revision of this sound. So you might have guessed already, boys and girls, but the sound that we're going to be focusing on this week is O. 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 And Miss Brown has got a picture on the other side of the card, and it is a polar bear on the ice surrounded by snow, and he is blowing the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Excellent. Miss Brown has got some other words in here on this card that has the O sound in it. We're going to Fred talk and read the word together. First word is P-L-O. Blow. Your turn. Good job. Another word is S-L-O. Slow. Your turn. Fab. One more word. Let's do sh-o. Show. Your turn. Well done. So, we have got on the picture side, O, blow the snow, and O. Two letters, O and W, one sound, special friends, which make the sound O. I'm going to see if I can trick you. If Miss Brown holds the card this way, you're going to say O. But if I hold it this way, you're going to say, well done, O, blow the snow. Let's see if I can trick you. I'm going to turn the card. O, blow the snow. Tell your adult, you can't trick me. Good job, guys. Now, we're going to pop our new sound into our review pack. Now, these are set 2 sounds that we've just started. So, see if you can remember these sounds that we've been practicing. When you spot a new sound, you're going to point to it and say, oh, there it is. Are we ready? Magnet eyes on the cards. Oh, there it is. Oh, blow the snow. Fantastic. Did you get them correct? Let's do them together. A. Oh, there it is. E. I. A. May I play? Tell your adult that you are super speedy at your sounds. Now we're going on to our green words, boys and girls. And in our green words, these have some of the sounds that we have been focusing on. Our O sound. O, blow the snow. So we're going to Fred talk these words and then read the word. Are you ready? Watch Miss Brown. Sh-o. Show. Your turn. Are we ready? Sh-o. Show. N. Another special friend, our kick and k, and our n, but it makes a sound n. N. O. done. I wonder if you can spot the special friends, Fred talk, and read the word on your own. Are you ready? Special friends. There's two. Sh and O. Fred talk. Read the word. Good job. Spot the special friends. Two. N. O. Fred talk. Read the word. Well done. Last one. Special friends. There's just one. O. Fred talk. Snow. Good job, boys and girls. Now we're going on to our speedy read. And our speedy read is words that we already know that has the sounds in it that we've been practicing. So, magnet eyes on the green cards. Are you ready? Green. May. Bright. Green. May. Bright. I wonder if you can do it on your own this time. Are we ready? Good job. Tell your adult that you are a remarkable reader. Now, we have got our alien words. Let me see your alien ears out, boys and girls. We're going to spot special friends, read Fred talk, read the word. Now remember, these words are a load of nonsense, but they help us with saying and reading our new sound. Miss Brown will do one for an example. So, we've got this word, our nonsense word. Our special friend is O. Fred talk. Fred talk. O. Draw. What a load of nonsense. Your turn. Special friends. Fred talk. Spro. Gobbledygook. Special friends. Fred talk. Spo. Special friends. Fred talk. Zo. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Tro. What a load of nonsense, boys and girls. Now finally, we have got our red words. Now these red words are words that we can't sound out because you can't sound them out phonetically. So we just have to know these ones, okay? So I'm going to quiz you and see how well you know these words. Are we ready? Put. The. I. No. Off. My. I wonder if we can do them a bit speedier this time without Miss Brown's help. Are you ready? Well done, boys and girls. Can you give yourself a huge big fantastic? We have learned to say, read and write the sound O. O, below the snow, made up of two letters, O and W, special friends. Well done, guys.